Mitch here in the Philippines, and we know that many of you are notebook, laptop, computer users. And if you, like me, you've struggled with knowing the exact way or the best way to clean the surface and the interior of your computer. Normally we just clean the surface, but I'm going to show you some tricks that I learned on how to clean the interior of your laptop, notebook, computer, okay? So, one of the most common cleaning methods is with high-powered air like this, where you spray the dust, yeah. And that works pretty good. You can clean it in the cracks, etc. Then there's other types of methods where you can buy these special wipes for the screen and for the surface like this. Those are pretty good, gets the fingerprints off. Sometimes they come in these little cleaning wipes that you tear open, and they do basically the same thing, where you can wipe the screen real nice. Look at this nice shine, wipe all the keyboard, etc., etc., the greasy fingerprints on both computers. I'll just do this one for visual sake. But you probably, like me, are not totally satisfied with this method, so I have really discovered over the years really a way to fully clean it inside and out in the least amount of time. You simply take your laptop notebook, and if you have a standard clothes washer like mine, you just put it in, you fill it with water, and then you go ahead and put your soap in there also, and a little bit of bleach like this. I like to use this colored bleach because it has a blossom type of a scent, so that when you're finished washing, your computer smells nice, and it makes your whole office smell nice as well. I'll just put one at a time. It's encouraged to just put one computer in at a time. And then you put it on maybe 6 minutes or so, like so. Let it wash around both directions, like that. That'll get the screen and the hard drive and the memory. Everything will be washed. And I'll just cut it a little bit short here. So for time's sake, when it's all been thoroughly washed, then you take it out. And I like to rinse it off with some city water, because the city water has some chlorine in there. And that really kills that bacteria there, like this. I took the battery out of this one because I didn't want to get my battery wet. You don't want to get your battery wet. The hard drive and the memory, the electronics, that's all waterproof, no problem. After some city chlorine water, yeah, I just drip it dry as much as I can. And then I put it in, what do you call this? Not drinking water, but, the water that's been filtered. Yeah, filtered water. Yeah, and you just push it in there, get that remaining, there's still soap on there. You get that remaining soap off. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of soap on there still, just kind of, yeah. Looks like it needs at least a few more extra rinses, because there's still some soap on there. Maybe 3 rinses would be about perfect, but just for the sake of the demo, we won't do that. And then have a clothesline and hang it out to dry in the sun like that. And just a few hours, when the sun comes out, it'll dry it real nice. And that's the best way to clean your computer, inside and out, hard drive, memory, all the interior, and just like new. Amen. This is the Brother Mitch from the Philippines, and showing you the best way to clean your laptop.